Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to copy a selected range to a new workbook with Kutools for Excel. In this tutorial we will introduce you to the export range to file utility of Kutools for Excel. With this utility you can easily export a selected range to a new workbook. Select the range you want to copy to the new workbook. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and click on the Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to File dialog box, please do as follows. Select the Excel Workbook option in the File Format section. In the Option section, specify options for the workbook as you need. If you want to convert all formulas in the selected range to values, in the new workbook, please check the Convert Formulas to Values box in the Workbook Option section and the Preserve Formatting. Preserve row heights and preserve column weights. These options can help you to keep all formatting, row heights and column weights of the selected range in the new workbook. Check the Open the file after exporting option, and the new workbook with the selected range content will open directly after exporting. Click on the Browse button to select a folder for saving the new file. Click the OK button. Again click the OK button. And then a dialog box pops up. Please type a name in the file name box and then click the OK button. Then the selected range is exported as a new Excel workbook immediately, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.